helpful updates. Emana solution to problems. Sometimes or most times, anaghị a day something. Sickness or problem may develop within a day, but that problem may not be solved within a day. Anya meru ịga n'ụlọ ọgwụ abịa enyewo a prescribe arrogate drug medicine. I say gịnị ga-etake nke a 7 days, nke a 4 days, every day na-aṅụ ya for 4 days, nke a every day na-aṅụ ya 7 days, nke a every day ga na-aṅụ ya for 2 weeks. Asị gị ọgwụ niile agwụ na gị bịakwa n'ụlọ ọgwụ for check-up ka a nenekwa ya arụmarụ ka ọnọdụ si wee dị. Why can't they just give you medicine just 1 day? Imelo onwe gị. Why don't it happen that way? Everything follows sequence. Corrective measures takes time. In Agata. When I was a Christian, a Catholic, o nwere ihe a na-akpọ novena mass those days. In fact, novena is simply 9. The idea is 3. Ịma ndị ụka na account by 3 as 3 persons in one God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So 3 times 3, that is 9. So working by that code, 9. Then where some novena, some prayers are named for 9 days. Then where some spiritual exercise, devotion, 9 days. More for a book or mass, 9 days. 9 days, yeah, for that 9 days, that exercise will be undertaken for particular purpose. Novena, 9. In Arata. I remember those days. Na nsogbu esike ike. Ewo m nye wepụta a novena, a devotion. Asem now for this one, it is like that thing on the about focusing, gathering your energies and focusing it in one spot. It's just like using lens, converging lens, to channel the sun rays to a particular spot on a paper. Within some seconds, for that spot, for fire. Because of energy focusing. So, that is just that idea. And when you undertake certain line of action repeatedly for one particular purpose, you give it channels your spirit, your mind, everything about you to that one particular problem, and you begin to see solution to it. You see solution to that particular problem coming out on its own. Such dedicated line of action taken daily or hourly or dependent, but it's about consistency. It helps man to finding solution to problem, because scattered rays, your attention scattered everything, to actually find solution that you need. But when Ichikoto onwe gone like this, you focus on something. You can imagine every day you are doing one particular thing. Every day, one particular thing. Every day, one particular thing. Remember, the more you do something over and over, the more you find better ways to do it, the more you find answers to many questions bothering that time. Simple psychology. In the same manner, it is also applicable in ordinary. That no will sometime like this, onwere if I get word like this. Like Ezinwa Anaedo I go for every day. But for various purposes, for various intentions. Ma no work ihe ga-esi word. Onwe ka particular need or problem ga-esi word. Ewepụtara m ya particular line of action that I will undertake for certain specified number of days, just directed towards that particular problem. Ememia. Like one period ọ gbara m na ịga gorge na Okuana be meba. Now you can Okuana. This is my Okuana. For there. So one particular day, all by them nigga dear got gorge for 7 days. I just got the inspiration. Namu God, the only one troubling something that period. My spirit now led me there. Namu budget this matter no one for 7 days. So ihe na-eme bụ every day. Na mbido ka mbido dia the first step take na mo biagodu je na di okwu ana wogodo akwa godocha wo di akwa we zegodi iwe kpokucha mmụọ niile m na ha maka achọ m any obstacle na that particular devotion. Achọ m any obstacle. Nzegodu mkpokucha mmụọ niile wole akwa ahụ zefi iwe na ana dia. We bidozie the devotion. Every day we lodge in my gun okwana there. That is aside my daily go for. It's just a particular dedication, taking particular line of action for particular need. 7 days. And that 7 days, any moment time. Usually on a boom with it. Oh, I'm more for the balloon no way if you. Maybe so time to so time. O we can more for that same number anyanwụ, you know, the sun is directly up the sky, which should be around between 12:1, you know, that kind 12:1. Mgbe ụfọdụ ọwụrụ nọ mgbe anyanwụ ka na-ekuni na the east. Mgbe ụfọdụ ọwụrụ nọ mgbe ọ na-akpụ egolu na west. You understand? I time it with the sun. So two and moms were by them, I'll by them that time. Namo Gano Kuana got presented the matter for 7 days. Just with Origin and Quick. Ufum Lodge with the Kai. Well, me I got the old lana that particular hour. I got him there. They presented the case every day for 7 days. After the 7th day, Mesalaka, before that 7th day I was served, that particular issue was resolved. But I had to complete the 7th day. That particular issue in Jimmy made that particular line of action was resolved in Awata. I do this from time to time. And if you are very close to Ezinwa Anaedo, you got chopped. At some point in time, Ezinwa may have given you such assignment. Meso certain. For 4 days, 7 days, 3 days, 9 days, 8 days. Although I can see a dish, see out like a drug prescription. The reason to give yourself concentrated energy to focus on something. To focus on something. Drop of water consistently, a fear will deep a big hole or make a big significant impact. Just drop of water. than na ọ bụrụ na the mmiri just otu ọkpụm kwụsị. Ị ga-adị ya ọ tụrụ ịma m, there will be no impact there. But allow that drop of water to be consistent every day. Bom. What got to do the fear or create an impact. If you make your ocean even in our water, that is concentration of energy. So, if no one some people here have them a chance to be there. Okay. Asị m ya mgbe anya m ego ka m warị ya ọjị na agwụ m, onye ọsọ ndị anụ m obere ego ewere m ọjị na mma jee na agwụ m kwuo okwu n'iru agwụ m walụfa, enyezie m onye ahụ some assignment, mee ife dị otu a, mee ihe dị otu a, mee ihe dị otu a, gbaa mmụọ dị otu a, kwuo ihe dị otu a. Ị na-aghọta? I do it from time to time. The thing bụ na let me do my part and let you also do your own part. Concentrate. Ihe na-enye ndị mmadụ nsogbu, the lack patience required for concentration. Mgbe ụfọdụ otu a calm godo onwe you, concentrate godo. When you are able to concentrate, you begin to find solution to whatever problem. Onwere ife dị too big. There's no problem too big. There's no issue too big. What you need is concentrate and give it time. Give it energy you need. A full solution to it. The thing is that people are too scattered. People are too distracted. Social media get distracted. Economy of Nigeria get distracted. Friends get distracted. Family get distracted. Nka get distracted. A lot of, but if you are able to, in the midst of all these distractions, too many voices speaking, and you are able to give heed to just one voice, you got a solution to that your problem. So you had from time to time, give yourself the opportunity to concentrate. Give yourself line of action. You don't need a fakadibia where bagia. Yeah, so one of the reasons I hate people be dependent on alpha. Like all this that I tell you that sometimes we call no and sometimes I'll blow not on a neutral place just a gorgeon ngoya nkucha wamia puanezi eboko na ga wopse. We can go for the mere 9 days. Or more for that, I'll just do it for a particular number of days. Probably if I don't know my bath to put me. I know my bugodos or shega for me, or me. As far as now, only if I'm a man or blown or a mad or more. Go on and complain. I floor me gonja and yashimon, I floor me gonja and ka. You should do something. Should do something. You may go do the age where go that origin and my. Or go no, dear, no, if you get me won't be just. Chilaja, bend the other, Chilaja, this is Aja, Chilaja, what you walk, we could cha no, Sakwe Nama. Boom. You were going to get me this particular term for 14 days. Just say Chilaja and a walk, we could share what Sakwe. Nige me ha a so interval of time every day. Maybe you go and work that na no ga bon or toto. Maybe between 9 and 10 o'clock. Na every day for 14 days. Asa omanabo 14 days. No he ga me. No for particular, no for this so problem. No he ga na. You have just given yourself a task. Learn to give yourself task and accomplish that task, no matter what be the challenges and obstacles. Agbalonge, like those of you that keep asking, can me feed my ikenga? I want my ikenga to be powerful and active. If you want your ikenga to be powerful and active, learn to give yourself task and see that task to accomplishment. without any obstacle hindering you. By so doing, you are training your willpower to be formidable. Maka no willpower ga obu that ikenga. All willpower ga bu ikenga na-ekwu okwu ya. Ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Your willpower is that ikenga. How to make your ikenga powerful bụ gịnị? Learn to be faithful to little things. Yes. You can't be telling me you are seeking for ị na-achọ ka agbagha anụ ihe egbuo ka ikenga gị wee dị powerful. But ordinary 2 days task, you can't give yourself and achọ it to completion. Ordinary 2 days, ike agwụna gị. Train your willpower. You know, such assignment, such task, such line of action, and you are faithful to it. Nke abụọ nke nọ ihe ịgbara onwe gị na ị ga na-eme between the hours of 9 and 10, or maybe between the hours of oge anyanwụ ka na-ekunite and oge oru certain level in the sky. Na ị ga-eme certain time before anyanwụ esi ebe a wee ruo ebe a. Na ị ga-eme ya. And then, because of your indiscipline, before you cheta ime ihe nwa na anyanwụ eruo na center, you are not disciplined. How can your ikenga be strong? You are not yet ready to train your willpower. Discipline yourself. Ịma na ụdịka ozi a ndị mmadụ ada ala ekekarị ige. Look at ndị mkpọrọ mmadụ 6 na-enene m. Ndị mkpọrọ mmadụ 6 na-enene m. Mana ọnụ ahụ ndị na-ekirikwana m daalụ. You are fortunate. Always pray for the wisdom to understand ihe Ezinwa na-ekwu. Because a lot of people have the opportunity, but not many are making use of it. Just click on Ezinwa Anaedo, check how many thousands of followers and then look at mkpọrọ mmadụ 5 and 6. We here now watch my program. So go on way out of almost 40,000 people. It is fortunate. But do not allow this fortunate head to slip from you. My every teaching pass a message. I can acquire Shatan ever when I name a Saraka no beam. Saraka and them Makandem when I'm massing. Be part of that Saraka. Chat me on WhatsApp 08032477868. My name is Ezinwa Anaedo. I come for the total restoration of ordinary no men and neighbor. Can